This session is a special lecture where we will practice how to down a NetMiner plugin and learn how to install and use it on NetMiner. We should first know a bit more about what a plugin is. NetMiner plugins are programs that allow NetMiner to run a specific analysis processes or procedure written as a NetMiner script and add it as an external function to NetMiner. If we write down the various NetMiner functions that we have seen so far in a programming language and similar script, we can use it in a NetMiner menu and run the program. It is also possible to automate the analysis process by writing the required analysis process using a script. Files written as scripts can be converted to an NMX file. NMX files can be attached as an external menu onto NetMiner. In other words, a plugin is a function where we can get an NMX file that someone has made previously and attach it to NetMiner to use as an external menu. Let's see how we can add the downloaded plugin as a new function on NetMiner. First, you have to log in to the NetMiner homepage. Make sure you have already made an account to log in. To download a plugin, go to the web address that you see on the screen. Here, there is a Save a Map to High Resolution Image plugin. On NetMiner, you can use the Capture menu to save data visualization as images. However, if you would like to save larger images in a better resolution, you need an alternative menu rather than using the Capture function. This plugin allows the user to do so. Download the plugin and let's add it to NetMiner. Go to the page on the screen. You can also go to the Support, Resource Center, Add-on menu on the NetMiner homepage. In the Add-on page, you can see various plugins. These plugins are all provided for free, so you can download and register it to the NetMiner menu to use it. Here, you can see the Save a Map to High Resolution Image plugin. Click on it to see an explanation about the plugin and the Save a Map to High Resolution Image name as a NMX file on the bottom. Click on it to download the plugin. Make sure you remember where the downloaded location of the plugin is once it is complete. Open NetMiner to register the plugin. Go to the Tools menu and select the Plugin Manager menu. You can see that there are a few plugins that are already registered. Every time you add a plugin, you can see it on the NetMiner menu here. Click on the Add Plugin menu and locate to where you saved the download. You should be able to see the downloaded file in the download folder. The NMX file is here. If you select and open the file, you should be able to see the Save Map Image plugin newly added to the plugin list. Like this, you completed adding a new plugin to the menu. You can click the Close button to close the window. Where can you see the registered plugin? Go to the Tools menu, then Plugins. Here, you can see that the Save Map Image menu that we registered is added. Since this menu can be used for network visualizations, let's run it after creating a network map. Open the network map that we created earlier on in the previous session. Under the Sessions tab, you can see a list of the processes that were run. Here, double-click on the two-mood spring or select the tab on the top here. If you want to save the image, you can click on the Capture Map camera icon on the top. Although you can use this function to use a file or a clipboard to save an image, the resolution is not very high. You can save a low-resolution image file by using this icon. Instead, the registered plugin can save images with larger sizes. Let's try saving an image. Go to the Tools menu and select the Save Map Image plugin. Choose where to save the image in Select Directory. You can click the Browse button to navigate to the folder you would like to save it in. I will save it in a new folder that I created beforehand for this practice. After you select the folder you want to save the image in, press Enter. Then, the output file name has a default name for the image. The file extension is as a JPG. By entering JPG, the image is saved as a JPG file. You can also save the image as a BMP, PNG, or SVG file. You can select and change the extension based on your needs. For example, if I want to save the file as a PNG, I just need to remove the JPG and enter PNG instead. The current example shows that an image will be saved with the name nm_img and as a JPG file. For the size, 100% means a resolution of 1024 × 8. By setting the size as 200%, we can save the image as a larger size. Click on OK, and after a while, a Done message should appear. Now, let's go to the designated folder. I will go to the new folder in my desktop and can see that a nm_img.jpg file is saved inside in. When I open and click on the file, you can see that it is saved as an image with a large resolution. As such, there are many usable menus that are not only NetMiner, but can be added through plugins on the NetMiner homepage's add-on. You can use these plugins in the plugin menu by downloading them and registering them on the plugin manager. Thus far, we practiced how to install and use plugins on NetMiner. Thank you.